there, Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up country style pork ribs. Very sticky, sweet, awesome tasting country style ribs. And we are using the Pitboss Sweet Heat and a little bit of Uncle Steve's thick meat. Oh hell yeah. We're gonna also when I pull those off, we're spritzing with water. We're gonna wrap them in heavy duty aluminum foil. But first, we're putting down some butter and brown sugar and honey, heavy. And then we're gonna wrap that up, put it back in the Pitboss. We're cooking about 300, 275, and it's gonna only take a couple hours on country style pork ribs. Oh hell yeah, gonna be delicious. Cheers, folks. So these country style pork ribs, I'm going to be using the Pitboss Sweet Heat, and then on top of that, I'm going to add a little bit of Uncle Steve's thick meat shake. Oh hell yeah! So 2020 is not the year that we expected. Oh hell no! But barbecuing feels still normal, very normal. I'm out here in the shanty. I feel great. I forget everything. I went in and I saw something on social media. I just brought it back up. Whatever. We're going to get through. Of course, like everything else in the world. But damn. Please be over soon. Jesus. So we're putting the country style ribs in the Pitboss at about 275, 300 for about an hour or so. And we're going to wrap them. So when we're wrapping them, we're putting down light brown sugar, pats of butter, and some honey. Put them in there, drizzle a little more honey on them, wrap them up nice and tight in foil, or butcher paper, whatever you want to use. Put them back in. We're going until these suckers are tender. We're ready to pull the pork country style ribs out. Sweet, sticky, oh hell yeah. They are rocking. We're going to pull them out. We're going to cut one up. We're going to see what we got going on. Oh hell yeah. pull the country style ribs out of the foil, and you're gonna add some whatever barbecue sauce you like. Oh hell yeah. Plate it up, ready to rock. Oh hell yeah. These country style pork ribs are done. They smell amazing. Let's cut into one. Oh hell yeah. Let's check that out. Perfect, juicy, country style rib. The smell is amazing. Oh. Oh hell yeah. That's amazing, folks. Oh hell yeah. Country style pork ribs, moist as hell, delicious. Can't go wrong. Get yourself some of these. They don't even cost a lot. I mean, that entire bundle right here, less than $6. And then whatever you add to it, but less than $6. It's a couple pounds. I don't remember how much, but there's plenty there, and that's amazing. And I did end up using this Heinz Memphis sweet and spicy. That's some good barbecue sauce. Heinz has some really good underrated barbecue sauces that I don't see many people use, man. I love their Carolina tangy. Oh, their Carolina mustard. Oh, and Heinz ketchup. I love that stuff. What do you guys think about Heinz? Comment down below. What do you think of these country style pork ribs? Leave a thumbs up. Comment down below. Word. So, guys, it's been fun. Oh, and Uncle Steve. Uncle Steve rocks. Guys, if you have not checked out Uncle Steve, his shakes rock. They really do. I mean, he's got 4, and they're amazing. All of them. There's always an application that you can use it with. So, go ahead, check that out. Link is down in the description for Uncle Steve Shake, because that dude rocks. So does Shake. So, guys, subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and smash that dinner bell, because that's what time it is.